The Philippine Overseas Employment Administration once again appeals to the public to be cautious in accepting offers to work abroad. Nel Maribohok will tell us why.
To serve as a precaution, the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration or POEA appealed to the public to make sure that those who are offering them job opportunities abroad can show legal documents to support it. The reminder is made in light of the situation that Mary Jane Veloso, an OFW who is a victim of illegal recruitment and is about to be executed because of drug smuggling, is facing. POEA Administrator Hans Leo Kakdak stated that to work abroad, a work visa must be secured.
Dapat yung paghihiling ng impormasyon sa sino man na umaakit o nagre-recruit papunta sa abroad ay dapat legal at tama at kompleto at nakasulat.
Kakdak said even offers to enter a country as tourists before looking for a job there must be accepted.
Ibig sabihin, pag ikaw ay magtatrabaho sa Malaysia o sa Indonesia, kailangan nyo ng working visa, work visa. Kaya't kung ito ay hindi ipinapakita sa inyo at sinasabi lamang na hindi kailangan ng visa sa Malaysia at Indonesia, ibig sabihin lang nun, hindi kailangan ng visa kasi bilang turista ang pasok, na mali ka agad kung trabaho o work ang hinahanap.
Kakdak advises the public to coordinate with the POEA, OWA, DOLE, and the DOJ, any agency that comprises the Interagency Task Force Against Human Trafficking, to verify if an offer or even the recruiter is legitimate. Meanwhile, POEA has already submitted a certification to the Justice Department confirming that Veloso's recruiter does not have a license to do so. Kakdak said this is the POEA's part in the ongoing case build-up against the illegal recruiter. Nel Maribohok reporting for Y News.